Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals or dead zones in your home? In this video, we'll show you how to set up your BETA.IOT Wireless Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS button method. This quick and easy setup process allows you to connect the extender to your router in just a few minutes without entering any Wi-Fi passwords. Follow our step-by-step instructions to boost your wireless coverage and enjoy a stronger internet connection throughout your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, insert the BETA.IOT extender into a wall outlet near your router. Wait approximately 30 to 60 seconds for the extender to power on completely. Check that the power LED becomes solid. The extender must finish booting before it can communicate with your router. If you press the WPS button too early, the setup may fail. Find the WPS button on your router. The button may be labeled WPS, Wi-Fi/WPS or WPS/reset. It is usually located on the back panel, the side panel, or the front panel. If you cannot find the WPS button, check your router's manual because some routers have the WPS option inside their settings menu instead of a physical button. Press the router's WPS button once. Release the button immediately. You typically have 2 minutes to connect the extender before the WPS session expires. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the BETA.IOT extender. Release it immediately. The extender automatically searches for the router, detects the router's Wi-Fi network, receives the network name, SSID, receives the Wi-Fi password or saves the wireless settings. No manual configuration is required. The connection process usually takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. During this time, the WPS LED may blink, signal LEDs may flash. Wi-Fi indicators may blink. Once pairing is complete, the WPS LED becomes solid. The signal LED becomes solid. Signal strength LEDs may illuminate. The extender has successfully connected to your router and can now extend the wireless signal. Once the connection is completed, unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Look for the extender's Wi-Fi network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Tap Connect. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.